Welcome to the Accountancy Learning AAT sample paper video debriefs. I'm Sarah, and in this video I'll take you through the Introduction to Bookkeeping sample paper 2 task 8. So this one is all about processing transactions in the petty cash book. We're told that Keane & Co keeps an analytical petty cash book and withdraws cash from the bank to restore the impress amount at the end of the month. On 30th of September there was one final petty cash payment to be recorded, an amount of £32.64 including VAT had been paid for travel expenses. Calculate the VAT and net amounts to be recorded in the petty cash book. So we've got £32.64, which is our gross amount. So we can divide that by 1.2, or if you prefer you can divide it by 120, and that will give us our net amount of 27.20, and then 27.20 times 0.2 or times 20% gives us £5.44 VAT. So we can then put that in there. Before the petty cash payment in A was recorded, travel expenses of £49.55 plus VAT had been entered into the petty cash book. Calculate the total of the travel expenses analysis column after the petty cash payment in A has been recorded. So it's important here that this here is the net amount. So this is the amount that will have gone into the analysis column. But we've also got our net amount from part A as well. So we need to add these two together to get our total of 76.75 for the travel expenses analysis column. After all of the petty cash payments had been made, an amount of 23.22 was left in the petty cash float. This agreed with the total payments of 226.78 recorded in the petty cash book. On the 30th of September the petty cash impress amount was restored. Identify the entry required in the petty cash book to record this transaction. So we need to decide what the details are, what the amount is, and whether it's a debit or credit. So we are in the petty cash book, and we're told that the payments agreed with what was left in the float. So in order to find out what we need to top it back up to, we're essentially just going to be reimbursing this amount here because everything balanced. So it's going to come from the bank, 226.78, and we're debiting the petty cash account to increase the balance, so increase the asset. That completes task 8.